Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by laying the tent flat and scanning for damage. This is how you find hidden rips and weak seams. Once done, collect a small repair kit: patches, seam sealer, a needle and thread, spare pole sleeve, and duct tape so you won't stop mid-fix. Make sure the tent is fully dry before gluing or sewing, and mark each problem area with a washable marker. That keeps you organized and prevents missed spots while you work. You now handle the actual fabric repair. Clean the area thoroughly so adhesive bonds well, then cut a patch at least 1/2 inch larger than the tier. If the rip is long, run a quick hand stitch to close it first. This reduces strain on the patch. Next, apply seam sealer or adhesive around the cleaned area, press the patch from outside, and smooth out any bubbles. Weight it down for about 10 to 15 minutes to ensure a strong bond before moving on. You finish by addressing structural issues and testing the tent. For cracked poles, insert a splint or sleeve and replace any broken shock cord to restore tension. Once done, treat zippers with paraffin or zipper wax, realign any misaligned teeth, and ease stubborn sliders with pliers. This prevents recurring jams. Finally, pitch the tent fully and inspect all sealed seams and patched areas. If something still leaks, the key
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.